Do you want to create a match day poster like this in Photoshop? Let me show you how to create it. Let's start with the background. Create a rectangle with the help of the rectangular tool. Remove the stroke and change the color from black to blue. And change the blending mode from normal to soft light. And also duplicate it by pressing Command or Control J. Change its color. And now create a clipping mask from logos of both teams. To create a clipping mask, hold Option or Alt key and click in between the two layers. Now let's add more details to the background. Now let's add our subjects. Reduce the opacity to 50%. Click on mask and select the brush tool. Make sure black is the foreground color. And begin to paint over the unwanted part. Do the same thing to this image. Let's now add the other subjects. Now add logos of both teams. Now create a rectangle with the rectangular tool. Change the color to white and drag it below the logo layers. And duplicate the rectangle layer to create another rectangle. Resize it. Now let's add our final image. Let's change the color of the image to white by double clicking on the layer and then color overlay and choose white. And finally, let's add our text. With the help of the text tool, we're going to add the name of the stadium, the date, and then the time the match is going to be played. Now let's look at the final result.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also check out other tutorials on my channel. Thank you for your support.